Let's do some weird makeup. I always try to do my makeup to make my features more conventional. You get face blind to what your face looks like. I'm gonna try to do makeup that accentuates the things that I try to normally change. I don't know. We're gonna do it. We're gonna see. My skin is terrible. It's all right. I'm just gonna do a normal base. My mom is Black American and my dad is white. And for a lot of people, I don't know why, but it seems like my features don't really fit the usual way a mixed Black and white biracial person look. Either I'm more tan or my face is like longer. I don't know what it is, but I usually say I have like my mom's upper half and my dad's lower half, and he has a very long face shape, so that's where I get this. And I also have a relatively large bump on my nose, which, you know, I don't love, but it is what it is. And my mom has this perfect button nose, which I always wished I had. Usually I try to do makeup that, I don't know, hides it or shortens my face, but I'm just gonna try something different today. I've even had people say to me, oh, did you just go on vacation? As though I'm like a white person with this much fake tanner on. Someone who's not Black that has this much fake tan on their face. To me, I see my features and I'm like, oh, that's a Black woman. But I guess not a lot of people have a bigger worldview, so they don't know that there are different combinations of features. Not that there's anything wrong with the way that I look, but growing up, hearing unique, you know, oh, like that, are people surprised? It's not giving Lisa Bonet. It's not giving Zendaya. I don't know, I just want to do something weird. Since I feel like I have a ginormous forehead, I'm gonna make it even bigger. Let's do this. I'm so scared. This is scary. I will say this, nowadays I feel like there's a lot of acceptance of different kinds of beauty, because I remember growing up, it was a different story. You know, the 2000s, very specific kind of beauty, very specific style of beauty. And now it's different. You know, lots of people probably see this video and be like, oh, you look normal. But that's not the way it's always been. A lot of people will know what I'm talking about. I remember being a little girl and thinking there's nowhere in the world where the features that I have are, you know, beautiful. And now that I'm older, it's different. I remember feeling that so vividly as a child. I never liked this darkness here, so I'm gonna make it darker. I thought about, you know, getting surgeries, but then I think about if I ever did decide to have kids and they have similar features to me, would they want someone that in their life that knows what they went through? Also, I know this sounds crazy, but when you were younger, did you ever feel so weird and so bland at the same time? I always felt like either people were looking at me in a room because I looked weird, or they wouldn't even see me at all. I'm sure I'm not alone in feeling that. And I guess it's also hard if you don't have siblings too. Then there'd be other people in the world that look like you. But if you don't have that, then you feel so alone. Normally I go for like a cutesy sort of makeup, a very soft makeup. So this is gonna feel super different. Guys, I got invited to go out after I'd done a full face of makeup featuring things that I don't like about myself. And I don't know. I felt really self-conscious at first, but I think it was good. It was a good exercise in self-confidence, so.